Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will explore one of the most glamorous, high-paying and competitive careers in finance, the investment banking. If you have ever dreamed of working with the billion-dollar deals, IPOs, mergers and the valuations, then stay with me. Investment banking is the part of finance that helps companies raise money and grow. Investment banks work on the mergers and acquisitions, IPOs and the equity raising, debt financing, valuation and financial modeling, restructuring the deals, and the market advisory. In simple terms, investment bankers help the organizations make big financial decisions and they get paid very well for it. To become a successful investment banker, you need a strong combination of technical and soft skill. Technical skills required are financial modeling, company valuation like DCF, transactions, etc. The Excel and PowerPoint mastery, the understanding the financial statements, M&A deal structures, the capital markets knowledge, and page book creation. The soft skill you want is communication, speed and accuracy, presentation skills, analytical thinking, and long working hours and discipline. So don't worry, all these skills are teachable. At our specialized investment banking and financial modeling program, you get the step-by-step financial modeling from blank Excel, the complete valuation training, pitch deck and CIM preparation, the real M&A deal case studies, the IPO process explained, LBO modeling basics, equity and debt market understanding, 100 plus practice models and assignments, interview questions and placement guidance, one-to-one support and the small batches, and low fees and free classes for the financially struggling students. We simplify the technical topics with the stories and the real corporate examples. So, if you want a fast paced, high growth, and globally respected career in finance, investment banking is the perfect choice for you then. Join our course and start your journey toward becoming a confident, industry ready IB professional. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the class. So join Dr. Shorav's classes today and make all your dreams come true with us. तब तक के लिए stay tuned, keep learning, keep growing with only Dr. Shorav's classes. See you in the class. Bye-bye.